will be making cotton candy lip scrub. If you haven't already watched my other episodes or videos on my channel, then go ahead, click the links below and check them out. If you haven't subscribed already, then baby, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like this video if you are feeling it or whatever. So let's go ahead and just get straight to it. I got my domino sugar and this cane sugar. So what we're gonna have is 2 containers because since cotton candy is half and half. I'm gonna take, ooh. Well, you know, there's trial and error with everything. And you can see, I lost count. I think that was 4. I'm trying to do like 6 tablespoons, so I think that was 6. We'll see when I replay the video. Okay, so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As y'all can see, my measurements a little bit off, but y'all get the gist. Okay, so I'm just trying to make enough for these containers over here, so I think that should be good. I've already sanitized everything because you already know no corona over here. They're not playing around with it. So I can went ahead and just add another one because this didn't look like it was enough. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our oil. And I will be using extra virgin olive oil because it is what I have on here right now. And extra virgin olive oil is really good for moisturizing your lips and exfoliating your lips. And a lip scrub is essentially exfoliating all of the dead skin off your lips. So let's rejuvenate and use our extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna just take a pipette. And as you all know, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I make lip gloss. And I decided to start a lip gloss company. And I decided to also start selling lip scrubs. So this will be one of my lip scrubs. I like everything to be even. I watch a lot of videos and I see that a lot of people kind of just eyeball a lot of stuff, which is fine. But me personally, I don't really like to eyeball. I like to be certain. So I'm just gonna mix that up. I'll put about 2. When I originally started making lip scrubs, I used brown sugar. And I do like brown sugar because that's what I use on a daily. Like when I eat my food, I use brown sugar because somebody told me it's healthier for you. So I'm like, okay, let's make a lip scrub with brown sugar. But the only thing about brown sugar is you're unable to put all of the colors and stuff that you want in it because it already has a color of its own. You know what I'm saying? I will have a brown sugar scrub on my site, but for the sake of the colorful ones, they will be pure cane sugar. And it looks like I'm not measuring it and it's not even. Go watch. It is. I'm paying attention. I'm so watching. And this is for the sake of video. I'm showing you all how to do cotton candy. I actually ran out of honey, but I do put honey in my sugar scrub as well. So if you buy from me, it will have honey in it as well. So now I'm just gonna fill it for the consistency. And to me, it still doesn't have enough olive oil in it. I really like moisture, and I really like, you know, in all of my products. So I try to make sure there's enough oil. I'd rather have more than enough oil than not enough moisture, you know what I'm saying? So Sorry. I have listening to music. So I'm trying not to get copyrighted by some of this music, but the jams aren't on. Alright, so this looks good. You can rub it like that, and it's like smooth. That's how you know. That's good. So now let's go ahead and put, I might still add some more oil later. We'll see. Let's go ahead and put our colors. So one has to be pink, one has to be blue, obviously. I'm going to use food coloring. Since I only have red, I have to be very careful. Very, very careful because red is not pink. I'm trying to get like half a drop out of there. Oop. And that might actually be too much. So, let's see. So, it's kind of pink. One drop is all the girl needed. And it's looking good. I kind of mixed it so she wants to see red, but now it's giving strawberry vibes. So you don't want to see any white. So you want to get all that stuff out the corner. Make sure you don't see no white. Let's do the press test. Press test, real smooth. You like that? Oop. You like that? Real cute. Okay. And now let's do blue. Ooh. Okay. So got a couple drops. Hope it's not too blue. See if you can find things more. Okay, so like I said, I want to make sure there's no more white. And this one is actually, this batch is super blue because of the, oh, this is so cute. Right. So we got blue, still see some white in that corner, so let's put in. Do the press test. Yeah, nice and smooth, baby. This pink is super cute. Now we're going to go ahead and put some flavoring oils. Because it's Lipscrub, so don't eat it, but it is going to be edible. This one has a tint, so I wonder how the color's going to affect it. Hope it makes it pinker and not. That's watermelon flavor. And you see how the watermelon flavor brightens it up? That's exactly what we want. So we did use real food coloring, remember? So, that's a good one. So cute. And then for the blue, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do sugar cookie. Drop a little sugar cookie in there too. I was just scared about the coloring change for the pink. The blue is dark, so it don't matter what color the flavoring oil is. However, I can't put the watermelon in blue because it is pink. I'm scared it's going to turn it purple. You don't want that, so I just put a few drops of flavoring oil because you don't want anybody's skin to get irritated or anything, which you won't because everything is vegan and food free. But just in case. Smells so good. I know it's cotton candy, but it looks like cotton candy. It's not gonna smell like cotton candy. Well, it is gonna smell sweet. Like the watermelon and the sugar cookies together does give it like a sweet cotton candy scent. So that's why I use those two together. If I had cotton candy flavoring, by all means, I would definitely use that flavored oil if you have it, but I don't. So I just used what I had and stop on it. I may eventually get cotton candy flavoring, but I actually like the way that these two combined smell. So now on for the packing. What I'm do is just take one cup, and don't mind my glove. It's because I told you I had the accident with the blue food coloring. I do have Lysol wipes, so I'm gonna take another Lysol wipe and just wipe my hands to make sure nothing gets on these containers. Please, y'all, do not make a mess like your girl, because you're always making a mess. Try to be as clean as possible, try to clean your areas as much as possible. And now wipe that off the Lysol. Look, way cleaner. So now we're just going to take some and kind of tap. Be very gentle and patient with this part. Tap the back of your finger. So tap. Put it more in here. I want to push it down too, because and we want to be as, take your time, try to be as clean as possible, because the more gentle and careful you are when packing the containers, then the less cleanup you have to do. And let me tell you right now, you're gonna thank me later, because I'm telling nothing but facts right here. Okay, so that looks kind of like half crescent moon half, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna take some of the blue, put that in there. Right? This smells so good. Oh my god, I love to put some of this right now. And then I also have lip oils coming soon. So after, it's like a, think of it like a 3-step process. After you apply the lip scrub to like kind of give your lips a pick me up, then you're gonna apply Minus Glow lip oil, and then Minus Glow lip gloss. And it's a whole vibe, y'all. It's really a whole vibe. Super cute. So cute. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna continue doing that. Being in this pandemic has really given me time to think, plan, and take action on what I really want to do. And I advise that everybody else. I wish I got on this sooner. So I'm just telling y'all, like, if you have a dream or something that you want to pursue, as far as like a business, I would say just go for it. Just go for it. And I'm kind of a perfectionist too, so I really want everything to be perfect. I want everything to be, you know, ready and perfect the first go around. But that's not going to be the case. And that's what I've been mentally preparing myself for. love you all, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Mwah.